Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and edit a photo in FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started with editing a photo. So to edit a photo in FaceApp, after opening application, select a photo from either your camera roll or from your photo gallery, and it's going to appear right here. So now we can go ahead and tap on that photo right here. So now we can get started with the editing. Here at the bottom of the screen, you're going to go ahead and see all the tabs for applying effects. So you're going to have your impressions tab, the skin tab, hairstyles, and so on to get started with editing your image. If you click any of the tabs, it's going to open up the edit mode from where we can get started choosing what effect we want to use. As you can see in the hairstyle tab, we can go ahead and change hairstyles on our photo. If we go back and click on the skin option, it's going to enable us to make our skin. As you can see, we can add freckles, we can edit our skin however we prefer to make it smooth. All of those options are going to be available right here as well. So basically that is how to go ahead and get started with editing any of your photos in FaceApp and using filters. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.